guys see the time? 3:31. What's going on, YouTube? Whew, give me a second. What's going on, everybody? Right here at the Mona truck stop in Utah. Got loaded up. I got here in the AM. I got my 10 hours. I got 30 pallets of tomatoes. You guys know the vibes. Going to a Sam's Club, Colton. I guess it snowed the day before here. My truck looks... I would step outside, but I'm not trying to get my shoes dirty. Yeah, I don't wear boots and drive. I mean, I do when I like have to chain up, but I don't wear. I kick back a tire. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I just got pulled here down the street. Got some water, little snacks to go, pistachios to be exact. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Appreciate all you new subscribers. Stay tuned for more content. Drop a like, comment below, hit that bell. Let me know what you guys think of the content. And pretty much that's the plan for now. I'm just gonna fill out my paperwork and set the pre-trip on real quick. Do a pre-trip on my truck, do a walk around, and that's pretty much it for now. Let me do what I gotta do and I get with you guys right now. Peace. So what's going on, everybody? I'm gonna turn my music down. Just grabbing the freeway. My little pre-trip, 8. Time to get this show on the road. Hope all is well out there. Snowed a little right here, but more closer to the 70. It kind of snowed quite a bit right there, going up what's visible. Have a time to deal with the freaking Friday flow. Pretty heavy. We're probably about like 77,000, 78 gross right now. Not bad. Yeah, I got a 4 AM delivery, so in my previous video, I mean, it's not like, oh, we got a line at 3. Nah, you gotta get on like at 2:30 because that place is so packed. Sacrifice a little sleep, you know. Gotta get my hours right there. We kick back, enjoy the ride, and just stand in this journey together. Get you guys adjust this freaking thing to be normal. There we go. Shred cruising along on the freaking 15. It's currently 25 degrees outside. A little chilly if you ask me. But it's been a nice drive. Beautiful view. My windshield's really dirty. I'm gonna stop in Vegas to get a truck wash. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope everyone's having a safe travels out there. If you're not a driver, having a good day. You guys ready for Christmas? If you're ready for Christmas, hit that like button, or else the Grinch is gonna come steal your gifts. I'm just saying. That's what he told me. If you don't like the videos, then go take all your gifts. Just throwing it out there. But yeah, this is where it was snowing at this morning. It kind of cleared up already. Not like major snow, but you know, a little snow. Nice view out there. Got the livestock. Yeah, hopefully I can get it washed off because it looks pretty ugly right now. My truck. I'll put a picture in there right about now. It looks all freaking dirty. And it was really windy yesterday. Really windy. If I didn't vlog coming up because it's not really much to vlog. This way, I knew it was gonna get a little nice snow and you know, cold weather. hours to go. Not bad. I'll check right here on my phone. Let me see. I just get distracted when cars are next to me the whole time. They just passed me already, and they got back behind me. Like, I don't get it. But yeah, make sure you like the video, drop a comment, hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for the content. That's just me giving you my my little update on the travels. Stay safe, and let's see if I get a truck wash. We shall see. I'll see you there. Peace. Prepaid my fuel, my glove on. Sorry for the fork. Let me see what this says. I'm assuming I put diesel first or what? Okay, yeah. I paid for diesel and gas, so I gotta put both of them on. I need to wash that. Putting diesel at the truck stop. It's a little cold out here. I'm gonna put about $180 of diesel, 185 I believe for. Let's show you what I got going on here. I put diesel already, I gotta put that. So check it out. I left my camera and then I'm gonna pull it out to record right here. I'll show you once I got this all set up. Show you what's going on here. So pretty much I got the DEF going to the diesel exhaust fluid. A lot of the newer trucks take DEF, so we have that at the yard, but I didn't have time to fill it up. I was lazy. Whatever. Yeah, prepaid $200, put fuel, put DEF, and pretty much here for now. I'm gonna take my 30-minute break. I'm gonna check you guys in the video and be more at peace. Hey, what's going on? Well, as you can see, I'm parked. Made it to Walmart. It's currently 12 p.m. It's dead right now, but hopefully when they open up, it's not too packed today. We shall see. That was a smooth drive, just a little wind, you know. It's your typical little wind, and it's been really chilly. Like, it's been in the 30s tonight. Right now it's 48. To me, that's chilly. To others, it's probably warm, but for each his own, you know what I'm saying? But anywho, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like. Unfortunately, didn't get the truck wash. Oh wow, it's all good. I could have had time to wash it, but I'd rather spare this little time, catch me a little nap before I have to wake up and deal with all this chaos. But anywho, hope all is well. You guys all stay safe. Comment below if you like the content, and get with you guys in the next one. Until then, keep on trucking the G-Way. Peace.